Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video is going to be short and brief. I'm going to show you how you can achieve these curly beachy waves without any heat, and it's very quick and easy. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and keep on watching another video. So this is going to be a quick little video on how I achieve these heatless curls. So before I went to sleep last night, I showered and I let my hair air dry. When my hair was damped, I used conditioner all over my hair, and then I did 3 braids. I did 1, 2, and 3 braids, and I slept through them in the night. And now it's the morning, and I'm going to show you the big reveal of these heatless, voluminous curls.
So you can part it however you want, but I don't like to part it on the side. So I'm going to part it on the side, like so. And I'm going to give you a back view of how it looks. So this is a side view of how it looks.